How to connect Notion with Claude AI. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then go ahead and open Claude AI. Now, once you have opened Claude AI, make sure that you are signed in to Claude AI, and if not, then sign yourself in. Further, go ahead and tap on the Customize option from the left side toolbar, and in this particular interface, tap on the Connect Your Apps option you see there. Now, tap on the search bar you see here, and in the search bar, search for Notion and then tap on the plus icon you see there. Now, you will be required to relaunch the tab, so once you have relaunched, simply go ahead and sign yourself in with your Notion account. So go ahead and sign in using your login credentials and then tap on the continue button you see there. And once the sign in process has been completed, you will be required to set up your Notion account depending on how you want to use Notion with Claude AI. And finally, wait for the process to be redirected. Once redirected, simply tap on the continue button you see there, and with this, as you can see, your Claude AI has been connected to Notion. So this was about how you can connect Notion with Claude AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.